A snowstorm and unprecedented frosts hit the United States this winter. It was the worst winter storm in more than 50 years, officials say. Eyewitnesses shared shocking footage online. During a heavy snowstorm, some people could not get home and froze outside.
Damn, man. Damn.
Hi guys, good morning. So here we are again outside. It's raining, so you can check on my last video. It's full of snow outside, and here we are. Like I mentioned, it's gonna have like a crazy rain. It's a massive climate change, so all the snow's gone. So napakadali lang guys. In like overnight, it's all gone. Wala na yung snow. So yeah, that's why I'm outside again. Double check yung mga pipe natin, making sure na everything's all right. Yung mga pipe natin sa taas, all the snow's gone doon sa roof. So yan yung mga double check natin, kasi yung pipe ko is yan, straight down sprout natin all the way down. Nakadig siya sa baba, so all the way outside. So the water is coming outside. We just want to check kung okay yung labas ng water doon. Okay, let's go. So see guys, all the ice is gone in here. Napakabilis in one day guys. So again, check the news. So patuloy pa rin ang mga snow sa sa ibang lugar. Actually, nag-move na yung snow papuntang US, San Diego. Ang dami doon. So check out nyo itong news.
Look how much snow fell in Ohio. Erie County in New York, which includes Buffalo, is one of the areas hardest hit by the blizzard. More than 4,000 people in this area were left without electricity. Tens of thousands of flights have been canceled across the country. It disrupted the holiday plans of millions of Americans. White darkness enveloped Nebraska and Minnesota. These amazing shots were taken in Buffalo Harbor on Christmas morning. Ice combined with strong winds caused damage to trees and structures.
It's gonna crawl up the edge now. Man, is it beautiful out at the Buffalo Harbor.
Many roads were completely blocked. Some houses were so covered with snow that people could not go outside. Near the water, everything was covered with a thick layer of ice. Dozens of cars just froze to the road. Due to the huge amount of rainfall, there is a risk of flooding with the arrival of warmer weather. It is unlikely that all this snow will be cleared. Imagine how much water will flow through the streets when the snow begins to melt.
Daming affected talaga. So dito sa amin rain na. So climate change. Daming ano to, nagbago in just few days. So ito yung downsprout na rin. Ito papunta dito yung water. So everything's good. So it's coming out good. Now I think I just want to check the front yard. I just want to check the front yard just to be sure everything is in order in here. So there you go. I think everything is good. So there's no.
The type of storm most common in March or April brought more than a half foot of heavy snow to most of Colorado's Front Range.
So sa Colorado na ito, guys.
Got a winter storm. Colorado.
Denver's official snowfall total at Denver International Airport Thursday morning is 7.1 inches, which is the highest total from any storm so far this season.
So nagmumove lahat ng snowstorm sa ibang lugar. Ito wet snow, mabibigat ito, talagang daming tubig.
Because the storm originated on the west coast instead of Canada like most storms in the winter months, it contained air that was much warmer than normal. That is why the precipitation started as rain on Wednesday afternoon, and when it finally changed to snow, it was heavy and wet as temperatures hovered near freezing.
Kaya mahirap ito pagka wet, guys. Mahirap siyang maglakad or sa paa, mahirap din i-shovel.
Denver officially received 0.60 inch of liquid on Wednesday, which is the most ever measured for the date going back to 1872.
Talagang big climate change ito, guys. Kahit na mga animals, kahit nahihirapan din. Kasi stuck sila sa bahay, so pag pinalabas medyo harmful. So,
The city doubled the old record from December 28, 1932, which is a testament to how unusual it is to get so much rain in December. Once the rain changed to snow Wednesday evening, it fell at rate of up to 2 inches per hour, especially in the foothills of Jefferson and Boulder.
napakadelikado ganito, guys, mag-drive ng zero visibility.
The result was more than foot of snow for communities like Morrison, Conifer, Evergreen, Genesee, and Coal Creek Canyon.
Too heavy snow talaga to, guys.
Elsewhere, snow amounts were generally between 4 and 8 inches, but most of Weld County as well as the Fort Collins area received less. Because the snow contained so much moisture and was therefore so heavy, it caused many tree limbs to snap and even brought down entire trees in some areas. The situation would have been much worse if trees were leafed out. Fortunately, that is not the case in late December.
Kaya nagkakaroon ng brownout, guys, kasi nga mabigat yung so napuputol yung mga kahoy, tapos pati yung mga wire ng kuryente sumasabit, kaya nagkakaroon ng brownout. Kaya napakalamig, kaya delikado sa loob ng bahay.
The entire state of Colorado will get a break from snow Thursday night and Friday morning. Then snow will return to the mountains by late Friday and will continue through most of the holiday weekend.
Kahit na palayo na yung snow, guys, napakadelikado pa rin. Enjoy pa rin ng husky.
Snow should stay away from the Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins areas until late Sunday. A first alert weather day has already been declared for enough snow to shovel again Sunday night and Monday. Numerous accidents amid snow, slicked roads resulted in travel headaches for parts of Colorado Wednesday, including one backup on Interstate 70 that left motorists stranded for more than 8 hours. Road travel was brought to an abrupt halt Wednesday night in Colorado as a winter storm dumped about a foot of snow across the Denver area. The heavy, wet snow was no match for those trying to get home, which left many people stuck on the highway for more than 8 hours.
Kaya dapat pag nasa car ka, may mga extra blanket ka doon sa loob just for emergencies.
The snow-slicked roads resulted in numerous accidents on roadways across the Denver area. On Interstate 70, drivers were stranded for over 8 hours as crews worked tirelessly to clear multiple crashes. Some motorists on I-70 found themselves stuck in the Veterans Memorial Tunnel, just west of Denver, in Idaho Springs.
Clearing na, guys. Napakadulas nito sa daan, guys. Kaya slow talaga yung mga sasakyan.
A drone video showed the traffic stretching for more than a mile on each side of the tunnel. People could be seen walking their dogs, stretching their legs and wiping their vehicles clean of the accumulating snow while waiting for the traffic to move. Lights inside the tunnel worked for a few hours, but then, right around midnight, the power went out and the tunnel went dark, making for an even more eerie feeling for drivers.
So ito, guys, over the holidays talagang stuck ka sa loob ng bahay, kaya kalabas, tingin-tingin ka na lang ng snow. Yung iba din nasa stuck sa mga sasakyan, yung iba naman na stranded nakikisilong na lang sa ibang bahay, so pag-holiday ka sa ibang bahay. Kaya slow ka talaga sa daan, guys. Mga ganito. So keep safe sa mga lahat ng affected ng snowstorm. I know sa iba-iba rin yung naging effect ng climate change. May melt na lahat. So yeah, I think we're good. So guys, yung iba affected pa rin. Keep safe everyone sa mga affected ng snowstorm, blizzard, o yung mga hindi lang kasi dito sa US at saka Canada yung affected. I know sa ibang lugar dahil sa climate change madaming nagbabago in an instant. So guys, let's pray for everyone. Keep safe everyone. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.